Hello, children. Today we are going to learn a new chapter in English, Class 6, Taro's Reward. Taro's Reward is a popular fairy tale in Japan. It involves the story of a son, Taro, who wanted to fulfill the wishes of his father. Taro was a poor boy. He earned money by chopping woods from the jungle. But the money he earned was not sufficient for him and his parents. One day it started blowing cold winds. All people in the home felt cold due to wind passing through the cracks of the wooden house. His father wished if he could have some sake to energize his heart. Sake is a popular and costly drink of Japan. Taro was sad as he did not have money to buy the expensive sake. He decided to work hard. Next day, he woke up early and went to the forest to chop woods. Suddenly, he heard the sound of falling water. It perplexed him as there was no river here earlier. Since he was also thirsty, he followed the sound of water. Soon he found a waterfall behind the rock. He went near to the fall and put his hands in the water. To his amaze, he discovered that water was not water but sake. He became happy and filled some sake in his pitcher. Upon reaching the house, he gave the sake to his father. The father sipped the sake and started dancing. A neighbor came in the evening. Taro's father offered her a cup of sake. The woman happily took the sake. Taro told her about all the incident which happened to him. Now this woman spread the news to all the people in the village. Every villager rushed to Taro's home and tasted the sake. Next morning, Taro again woke up early, searched the biggest pitcher and went to the waterfall. To his surprise, he found that other villagers were also going to the fall. Soon people raised the fall and tasted the sake. But they found that water of the fall was not sake but plain water. People became angry with Taro and decided to draw Taro in the fall. Taro hid behind the rock and waited till all the villagers went home. He now tasted the water again, but to his surprise, he still felt that it was sake. The fall was giving Taro a sake, while to villagers it was giving plain water. The story of Taro's care for his parents and magical fountain raised the king of Japan. The king rewarded Taro 20 pieces of gold. Then he named the most beautiful fountain of the city after Taro. This was to encourage other children to take care of their parents. The king also wanted all children to love, respect, and obey their parents. Moral of the story: one should always work hard to fulfill the dreams and wishes of the parents. A child should be thoughtful, obedient, and hardworking to make parents' lives happier. With hard work, one can get whatever he wants, and even nature helps that person with miracles. Glossary: lonely, deserted, thoughtful, absorbed in thoughts, expensive, costly. Take off, rise up. Picture, hot, delicious, tasty, shivering, trembling with cold. Intended, wished, muttering, speaking in a low voice. Honor, respect, encourage, give support. Thank you, children.